Hello everyone, welcome to the market outlook for the week. Gaurang Shah here from Geojit Investments Limited. And as I speak to all of you all this Monday morning at around about 9:30, 9:45, positivity in the markets, and the markets are holding out in the green. Sensex Nifty both in certain sectorial indices, including the one which was down and out, that is IT. But having said that, I think range bound trades still persist. Higher level pressure in terms of profit booking is still visible. Sell side numbers from FIs are coming thick and thin, not that they have reduced. They are at an elevated level, and the domestic institutions continue to buy on the positive side. Before I go any further, let me give you certain range and levels on the Nifty, Rupee-Dollar, crude oil, and of course the India VIX. So broad range for the market as discussed last time: 23,800, 23,900 on the lower side, 24,200 to 24,300 on the higher side. And I think markets will be dominated by news flows, as it has been for the last 7 or 8 odd weeks, which is coming out from Middle East. And of course, the earnings season in the domestic front, Q4 earnings season last year is underway. Over the weekend, we saw two numbers: Axis Bank and Reliance Industries. Not so great numbers. And the stocks have reacted accordingly as far as the numbers are concerned for Axis Bank and Reliance Bank. Now, you can give it to one-off quarter underperformance, but long term, still as a brokerage house, Geojit Investments remains positive on Axis Bank and Reliance Industries. So that's the broad range for the Nifty: 23,800, 23,400 on the lower side, 24,200, 24,300 on the higher side. India VIX marginally down today, 3.15%, 19.10 is the level on India VIX. And on the rupee dollar equation, absolutely flat, 94.25. Marginal weakness in the rupee as I speak to you. And on the crude oil front, now this is where the problem again has started to appear. $106.47 a barrel is Brent. $96.16 a barrel is NYMEX. Next 2 days, next 3 days, war will end soon. US is open to a phone call, dialogue, diplomatic, and these kind of statements from President Trump. I think slowly, steadily, and of course, whatever has happened in US in terms of that shooting in White House. Hope things settle down over there sooner rather than later. And in terms of the outcome of the 4 state elections and 1 union territory will be awaited next week, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So I think markets will be choppy, volatile, but at least for the near term, we are at the bottom. Unless and until the news flow which evolves from Middle East is something that will spook the global markets and our markets, nobody can say, nobody can make a prediction over there. But yes, positivities are there in the markets. Earnings, barring some 2-3 companies, whatever we've seen up till now is good. And we expect the future earnings to be better than what we've seen. 2 investment ideas, friends. One is a public sector bank and the other is a public sector defense company, which we must have spoken earlier, Bank of Baroda and Bharat Electronics Limited. I will also like to give a standard disclaimer that these recommendations are apart from our fundamental research team recommendations from a long-term point of view. Our company Geojit or myself, we do not have any kind of personal investments, no financial interest, no conflict of interest, but we give recommendations and investment ideas on similar lines to our clients. They might have their investment interest. So these two are fundamental, not short-term, medium-term, not buy today, sell tomorrow. Buy long-term definition is 1.5, 2 year plus. Longer the time horizon, better the chances of creating a decent return on your investment. So start from current levels and add on dips should be your strategy. Thank you very much for your patience hearing. I'll see you again next week. Till then, please do take care of your health. Bye-bye.